and then created a business around that, selling these katanas, mostly into America, which means there's an opportunity to replicate something like this through Australia or Europe or wherever else you're interested in selling. Anyway, so that's the basic premise of this particular website. But what they do really, really well is they do a limited run of the thing. So they'll do, 50 of this particular katana, for instance, and then they'll go out on their social media. These guys do a really good job of their social media too. The reading of the comments as I post that. Because, they use a lot of influencers within this space, within the kind of Comic-Con kind of space, to use the product. And that creates this generalized zero money spent on marketing. They're just using these kind of going along to Comic-Cons, having stands there, that sort of stuff. Very, very cool. So that's the basic premise of the idea. Limited run, very, very exclusive. If you've got a thing, a thing for an interesting something, then you'll want something which is unique to you and you alone. It's like a limited edition print from art, for instance. Mini katanas, very cool. Also being done for this is one of my favorite ski brands, obsessed with skiing that I am, which is J Skis, and they do the same thing. These do the same thing. So they get street artists to do the graphics for the skis, and then they make a limited run of those skis. And as a result of that, they sell out of all their stock. And if you're skiing with them, you get, I guess it's like a prestige of knowing that you're wearing a set of something or using a set of something with regards to the katana thing, which is a limited run. Like, you're not going to see it anywhere else. It elevates your social status within that particular community. Okay, status is massively, massively important for what we do. Luxury brands rely on status, for instance, to get us to spend huge amounts of money so that we can elevate our own status in the eyes of other people. Very, very smart. And again, the thing that I like about this, let's see if they do this. No, we don't want to do that. They should not have that spin to win thing on their website. That's a big mistake. Google, just so you know, Google Shopping, for instance, hates those. So please don't put those on your website. But notice here, look, get notified when the next pair drop. So they do 50 runs of it, and then you can kind of sign up to get notified if you miss it. Very, very clever. This mini katana website also does something very, very simple. Oh, you miss this, to get notified about the next run, sign up here. It's a great way of building social proof around the legitimacy of what you're doing. Very, very smart. Anyway, so that's the idea, okay? At some point in your marketplace, there will be a subset of your audience that want to be unique. Everybody wants to be unique, but there'll be some people in your market that will pay to be unique. Big, big difference between those two things. And so by doing this, you get to do that. And so obviously I'm in the doggy niche, two things I'm building in that doggy niche. And so I want to show you this website. Now, I don't know how you pronounce this, which is not a great name for a brand, but anyway, they are all over the place. And in some of the highest end shops, like Neiman Marcus kind of level shops in the USA, it's an American brand. Pagery, Pagery. I'm going to go with Pagery because Pagery sounds awful. Okay, so let's just assume it's Pagery. But these do high-end dog accessories. How high-end? Well, their dog collar is 357 euros, which is around about, in Aussie dollars, around about 520, 530 Australian dollars for a collar, for a dog collar, okay? With the idea being that you're elevated in status as if you can afford that for your dog, then you must be loaded, and therefore we revere money within society. So we revere you, okay? Yeah, holy shit, indeed. Pretty crazy. But so it struck me that all products have got this potentiality to utilize this very, very simple strategy. This is a classic ability to do that. People spending $500 on a freaking collar want to feel unique. They want to feel special. They want to feel special. And so you could easily do these short runs for that as a way of testing product ideas as well. It's bloody brilliant. You could easily do that. And I think that the case can be made that you can do this in all niches. There's a subset of your marketplace that would absolutely be interested in that. It's something I'm very, very interested in. The social psychology side of what we do as e-commerce entrepreneurs. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.